Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the question everyone's asking: is the Tesla Model S Plaid actually reliable, or is that mind-blowing speed hiding a world of headaches? First, let's talk owner experiences. Forums and social media are buzzing with stories, and honestly, it's a mixed bag. You'll find Plaid owners raving about the unparalleled performance and cutting-edge tech, but dig a little deeper, and you'll also uncover complaints about build quality issues, tonal gaps, and sometimes more serious problems. Now, the elephant in the room: maintenance. Electric vehicles generally require less routine maintenance than gas cars. That the Plaid's high-performance nature means you'll want to pay close attention to battery health, tire wear, those track runs take a toll, and brake maintenance. And remember, repairs on a Tesla can be more expensive and require specialized technicians. Battery life is a key factor in any EV's reliability. While Tesla batteries are generally robust, aggressive driving, frequent supercharging, and extreme temperatures can accelerate degradation. Keep an eye on your range and consider adjusting your charging habits to maximize battery longevity. Software stability is another crucial aspect. Teslas are essentially computers on wheels, so software glitches can impact everything from autopilot to simple features like door locks. Thankfully, Tesla pushes out frequent updates, but sometimes these updates can introduce new bugs. So, is the Model S Plaid reliable? The answer is complicated. It's a technological marvel with incredible performance, but it's also a complex machine with potential pitfalls. Do your research, talk to owners, and weigh the pros and cons carefully before taking the Plaid plunge.